Time!
I've been doing martial arts my whole life, and so I just recently started an adults class. You pick up so much when you first start that you want to keep doing it. You want to keep going, you want to keep going. And every day you're learning something, so you're eager for the next little piece of cheese. And every time you get that piece of cheese, you want to come back for another bite. So all you got to do is get in here, and 9 out of 10 times you'll get addicted.
All right, 50%.
I love the fact that there's no end to jiu-jitsu. You can never master it. Once you get good at something, there's going to be somebody who changes the way that technique works. You have to change with it. At the end of it, everybody's slapping hands and teaching each other where they went wrong and how to fix it. There's been times where a white belt walks in and teaches me something, so it's a very humble sport. You don't need any experience or any other martial art. Just come out and we'll go over from the basics all the way through.